Well, this dialogue has come to an end. This is the last event we're going to have. And this afternoon, Thomas was talking about indicators, about how to measure, if it was important to measure. And we had some measures. We tried to collect some measures. We have had 2,000 attendants in person, up to 350 in total. We had 20 chairs. We had 35 speakers. We had 40 meetings, I would say 40 official meetings in parallel, because we had some others unofficial. We have 13 IT technicians helping us to give support to this event. 20 people giving support to the other topics of the event. So we have so many, let's say, quantitative indicators. But perhaps we count as well some other indicators that are not as quantitative. And perhaps we can count how many conversations, how many new acquaintances, how many new ideas, how much knowledge, how much loves, how many hugs with mask always, how many knowledge and how many people we have met. So at the end, what we have produced is what we know from yesterday that is called social capital. We have produced social capital, we have produced commitment. And this commitment is going to be the glue for the future of Unite, because the commitment is with the Alliance and also with the people that is composing this Alliance. And we're going to need it, because the Alliance is going to overcome a very special step, a very important step, which is the NUCO. And of course, there will be some disagreements, there will be problems, and we will need this commitment, this glue, to keep us together and believing for the future of Unite. So thank you very much to all of you for your contribution, because all of you have contributed with your presence here or at home, and all of you were important for the success of this event. Thank you very much. And I give the floor to Juanje that also want to say something.
Thank you. Well, I cannot add too much, but this was designed as a kind of space to discuss, to consider new possibilities, to think of the future. So I think that more or less we achieve part of our goals. So we are really appreciated of the effort that you made coming here. It was a pleasure to have you here. And I want to thank very much the local organizers. It's a large group of people who have been here working for several weeks. So please, I ask for a big applause to these people. And have a nice trip back home. Thank you. Andres, yes, they want to say something.
I would also like to say a few words. I really would like to really thank, in particular, of course, UPC, the director, Daniel Crespo, for hosting us, but in particular, Lourdes, Juan, Elena, for leading that great team that was really working so heavily to organize everything that has happened in the last 3 days. It was really just amazing to see how perfectly organized it was. Everything was so wonderful. The people just felt great, because it was really like you saw everybody had smiling faces, and people were just happy to come together again. And as you said, like 200 participants on site, 150 online, 40 meetings, and like 3 buildings, and then gala dinner in downtown, and then like lunches here and there, and then everything keeping that together in that hybrid format. Wonderful. So you did just very great. And I have that list here because you said it's like a lot of people were involved. Yeah, so let's start. So just to give you a picture about it. So it's really a long list. So yeah, Lourdes, Juanje, Elena, of course, Vero, Mariu, Berenice, Laura, Anna, Maribel 1, Maribel 2, Aina, Xavi, Ankar, Carolina, Ana Rosa, Blanca, Jordi 1, Jordi 2, Jordi 3. So you have to decide which one is who. And John, Manolo, Luisa, Araqueli, Isabella, Jesus, Didac, Francesca, Bego, Carla, Carme, Cristina, Eulalia, Raquel, Nuria, Marguerite, Juan, Luis, Alfonso, Juan Carlos, Dani, Alejandro, Graciela, Antonio, Eva 1, Eva 2. So I think that speaks for itself. Thank you very much.
And to close this, we're going to see a short video about KTH, which is going to host us in the month of March. So just to wish you a safe trip home and see you in Stockholm.